Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk about over 10 different credit cards that you guys can actually get that won't deny you, especially while you're trying to build your credit. Now, when it comes down to some of these companies, they have different rules. So we're going to go over each credit card. And if you guys are trying to build credit, I always tell my clients when I'm working on their credit, I let them know, hey, you guys need to at least have 4 credit cards reporting so that you can really start building your credit, and don't spend more than 5% of that balance, and make sure you pay it off on time. So let's talk about let's talk about all the credit cards. And if you guys want me to make a video on any of these credit cards, maybe more detailed video, or you want to see which one I probably made in the past, make sure you guys drop that down in the comments. And then too, if you want me to make a video for you on any credit card, make sure you guys drop that down in the comments and I will make a video for you also. So let's start off with the Open Sky credit card. The best thing about the Open Sky credit card is this: there's no credit check. Like, that's really the best thing about it. There's no credit check. So when you apply for this credit card, as long as they can verify your identity because you're a real person, then you should be able to get approved for this credit card. But if you guys click right here on Start Now, then you will see that you guys can put all the way up to $3,000 on this credit card. So it's between $200 and $3,000 that you guys can put down as a deposit. These are all secure credit cards, except for one of the accounts. They're all going to be secure credit cards where if your credit score is really low, you have to start off with secure. And secure is when you got to put that deposit down. And some of the cards, they'll tell you exactly how much you can put down, which with this one is $200 to $3,000. So this credit card, it doesn't graduate. And when I say graduate, that means that if you were to put the $200 down, right? Cards that graduate, that limit, the $200, in about 6 months or 6 to 8 months after you've been paying on it every month, paying your bills on time, they'll graduate that to a regular card. That means they'll give you a $200 credit card with their money on it, and then they'll refund your $200. This one does not graduate. If you ever need to, say if you ever don't want to have Open Sky anymore, you want to get your money back, you have to cancel the account. It does not graduate. But this is just one of the credit cards, one of the many credit cards. And also know too, with this credit card, they actually have an annual fee. So, I like to tell you guys about like the annual fees and things like that. So this one does have an annual fee. I believe it's $35 every year. And the interest rate is 17.39%, which is lower than you're going to see most of these cards that's on here. But like I said, the advantage of this one is if you guys cannot get any credit card, for real, Open Sky is it. Like, just get your Open Sky credit card, and you guys will be good. A lot of people talk about how the Open Sky credit card boosts their credit score. And I had the Open Sky credit card at one time too, you guys. So definitely I suggest the Open Sky, but understand you got the annual fee, low interest rate, and you're not getting a credit check at all. Now, the next credit card I want to talk about is the Credit Builder card. Now, the best thing about the Credit Builder card is that it's going to report within 2 weeks of getting the credit, like 2 weeks of signing up. So before you probably get the credit card in the mail, it's going to report to the credit bureaus. And when it reports to the credit bureaus, you're going to see your credit score. It should go up. That's the thing. So they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. They're not going to check your credit score at all, which is really good. And they say you can sign up within 2 minutes. Now, with this one, you're allowed to get 2 credit cards. So you don't have, you can't put different amounts down like on Open Sky where you can put up to $3,000 down. It's only a $200 limit with this credit card, and you're allowed to open 2 of them. So if you want to open 2 of them, you can open 2 of them, which is really good. But I highly suggest this. I'll make sure I have all of these links down in the comments. So you guys definitely check out the comments and leave me a comment also. The next account I want to talk to you guys about is Self. Now, this is kind of different. This is kind of different. I told you guys how my credit score went up a total of 155 points since being with Self in general. So I always tell people to get Self. My Self, it just paid out. So what happened was I paid $48 per month, right? And I paid that for 12 months. And they were reporting to the credit bureaus every month that I was paying on time. This will be an installment account, right? But for those people that say you want to get a credit card, as you paying into this account, where I was paying $48 per month, as soon as you get to $100 paid in and 3 payments, you paid $100 so far into your account and you've made at least 3 payments, they're going to offer you their credit card, which you can see is right here. So you guys can get offered their credit card, which is a Visa credit card. Now, like I said, you guys, I have a video here. If you want to watch it, you can definitely watch the video. But as long as you have $100 in your account, make 3 payments, there you go right here. You have $100 or more in your savings progress, you make 3 payments on time, and then your account is in good standing, then you can go ahead and get this actual credit card. So it's going to take about 3 months to actually get it, but you get 2 accounts in one, basically. You get that installment account, which I told you guys, mine went up over 155 points since being with them. And then you also would get the Visa if you want to get that credit card. And I've seen people too do a lot with these Visa cards. So definitely, I really suggest the self account. Now, the next account I want to talk to you guys about is Kickoff. So this is my actual account with Kickoff. So I wanted to show you guys my actual account. Now, with Kickoff, they're actually, let's go to look at the account details when they come down to Kickoff. So with this account, they're reporting a $500 limit credit card on the credit reports, right? But what I had to do is I had to buy an ebook from them, and I bought one for $20, and then every month I just have to pay $2. So every month I got to pay $2 until it's paid, which is going to be about 10 payments. And they're going to report to the credit bureaus that I'm paying on time, and my utilization so far after I spent $20 technically on this $500 account. My available credit is $480, so I can buy more ebooks if I want to. But they're reporting a credit card to the credit bureaus, and my utilization is at that 4%, which is what I always tell you guys. I want your utilization to be at. But this one is really easy. It's not going to be a credit check to get this one at all either. It's no credit check also for the self. I'm sorry if I didn't say that. But with the Kickoff, it's so easy for you guys to get started with it. Like, seriously, get started with it. I took my card information off because I'm making a video, but I'm going to add that on. They're going to automatically take this $2 off every time my bill is due. And they're reporting to the credit bureaus that is being paid on time. It's a $500 credit card. So if you guys want to start off with an account where you don't have to pay anything right now, but it's going to report, I definitely tell people to sign up for that. Sign up for the Kickoff account. Now we are at another credit card. Now this one right here is with a credit union, which, if you guys know, I love credit unions. So this credit union, you guys, is the State Department Federal Credit Union, and that's just basically the SDFCU credit union. Well, basically FDFCU. But when it comes down to this one, you guys, this one will be with a credit union. So you're building a relationship with a credit union, and you only have to put $250 down on it. And as you start building a relationship with the credit union, you're going to have more options to get other credit cards when you're looking to get other credit cards. So this is just a secure credit card, and you guys are earning points too. So you get 1 point for every dollar that you spend. And look, use your card responsibly, and you will be automatically graduated to a platinum rewards credit card. So that's really good. This credit card graduates you guys. So if you guys start with the $250 limit, you're paying on time, you keeping your balance low, then you guys will have a chance of getting this credit card to graduate. So that's what I really like about this one. You have a chance of really getting this credit card to actually graduate. And I believe I made a video about this credit card, so I'll make sure I link it so you guys can see it. So I did a little research on the Affinity Secure Visa credit card. I see that somebody said this was like an easy credit card for people to get. They're not going to check your credit at all, so that's really good. And the minimum deposit is $250. Their interest rate is only 10%, and actually that's lower than Open Sky. Open Sky is at 17%. So yeah, all you have to do is just make sure that you become a member, and then you guys can actually apply for this secure credit card. Now this is with another credit union. So you guys, if you start paying on doing what you need to do with your credit cards, you can always ask for an increase. Now this credit card, I don't think it actually graduates, but if you want to, you can actually add more money to the credit card to get increases even while you have that card. So that's something you guys can think about. Now, TD Bank. I talked to you guys about TD Bank already. I didn't like that they had a lawsuit out. Somebody in the comments let me know about that lawsuit. So thank you so much for telling me about their lawsuit. But a lot of people swear by this credit card and how it graduates, and how they had the annual fee part of it refunded when it graduated, because it's $29 annual fee, and I guess after it graduates you're not going to have an annual fee at all. And I still want to talk about the credit card just so you guys can know about it, but do research on this credit card for sure before you just jump into it. But you guys will earn 1% cash back, which is really good. And you guys will start building your credit because they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus, which is like the biggest thing we want. We want all of the credit cards or anything we apply for to actually report to the credit bureaus. So yeah, you guys, they're going to actually report. And just think about it like this. You can put $300 to $5,000 down on this account and it will graduate to an unsecured card. So as long as this card is kept in good standing, you guys will be able to graduate this card. So I definitely want to talk about this, but keep in mind of their lawsuit. Now, the next 2 credit cards, you actually got to get pre-approved for them. And you can't get pre-approved for them to see if you can actually get that approval, because I say guaranteed approval, but for these last 2, it's not so guaranteed. But before you get a hard inquiry, you can see if you can actually get it. So Capital One, they have 2 different secure credit cards. I always tell people to try to get. This is like their newer card, the Quicksilver Secure Rewards. This one has cash back, and the minimum deposit is $200. So I think you could put up to $3,000 or maybe even $5,000 down on the Quicksilver Secure Rewards card. So that's really good. I like that. And you guys will not have an annual fee on either of these cards. Now, for their platinum, it's only going to be a $200 limit. Like, it's going to be very similar to the credit builder card where I told you have that $200 deposit. It's very similar to this one. The only thing is that if your credit is not so bad, they may tell you, hey, put $49 down, $99 or $99 instead of the whole $200. Or they may just say you put the whole $200 down. But both of these credit cards will graduate as long as you're doing what you need to do. But it will automatically consider for a higher credit limit as little as 6 months. So I really like that, you guys. You have an option to graduate, and you can get some of these other credit cards. But before you apply for the Capital One credit card, the secure ones, see if you are pre-approved. Like, see if you can pre-qualify for it first, and then whatever they say you're pre-approved for, that's the direction you want to go and actually apply for those credit cards. Now, last but not least, I definitely want to talk about Navy Fed. So I always talk about Navy Federal Credit Union. You have to actually get into the credit union, so definitely check out some other videos on how to get into the credit union. But basically, somebody has to be in the military in your family, or you have to be in the military for you to actually qualify for this account. Now, the credit card I want to talk to you guys about is their secure credit card. Now, if you guys were to get this secure credit card, right, and put $200 down, pay your bill on time for 6 months, keeping a balance on for 6 months, not maxing it out, holding a large balance on it, but using the card responsibly, then they'll upgrade your credit card to a $2,000 limit. They'll give you your $200 back. They'll upgrade it to a $2,000 limit and actually give you this credit card right here. So you guys will start getting the cash rewards. Now, I really like that, you guys, that you can start with $200, 6 months, we get $2,000, like a regular credit card, right? And you can get increases on this one also. So definitely check out Navy Fed. If you guys hear me say Navy Fed, Navy Federal Credit Union, definitely check them out, you guys. And hopefully you guys are able to get approved for some of these credit cards. If you're not able to get approved for credit cards, it's probably because you need to start working on your credit, though, honestly. You need to start working to remove any of the negative accounts from your credit report so that you can start building your credit up faster, and a lot of companies will be willing to work with you. So definitely look into joining my exclusive membership. And if you guys want me to make a special video for you, definitely let me know. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully you guys love this one. Bye-bye. There's so many people out there with debt. so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.